Today we're diving deep into the much-anticipated topic, SoFi. This is the day we've all been waiting for, so let's delve into the latest data points and crucial updates you need to be aware of today. Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell, so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. We are about to enter Power Hour, and currently, SoFi is down by 0.14%. It's been a highly volatile day, with the stock hitting a low of $7.10 and a high of $7.95. Surprisingly, despite the volatility, SoFi is still trading in the sevens. In my pre-market video, I mentioned selling both calls and puts, specifically around $6 puts and $9 calls, indicating the anticipated trading range for SoFi. The volatility was expected, but it's quite surprising to see the stock maintaining its position in the sevens, especially given the results. Today, SoFi traded 73.4 million shares, compared to an average of 36.9 million. Despite the high volume, most of the transactions didn't come from institutions, but rather from the secondary market. Significant buying activity was observed early in the day, pushing the stock to its high of $7.95. Unfortunately, this is also where shorts began to increase their activity, initiating a downtrend. The broader market pullback also contributed to this decline. When it comes to SoFi's earnings, the results were phenomenal. The company achieved a triple beat, exceeding expectations on revenue, earnings per share, and raising future guidance. Member growth was a remarkable 41% year-over-year. This performance was so impressive that I posted on Twitter asking about the bear scenario for SoFi's earnings. The common concern was that SoFi is being perceived more like a traditional bank rather than a fintech or tech play. SoFi's price-to-sales PS ratio is currently at 3.5, with a future projection of 3.1. For comparison, Bank of America's PS ratio is 3.4 current and 3.1 future, and JP Morgan's is 3.7 current and 3.6 future. This comparison highlights that SoFi is being valued similarly to traditional banks by Wall Street. This perception poses a challenge for SoFi's leadership to portray the company as more than just a bank, but also a fintech. Despite SoFi's strong performance, shorts are increasing their positions. Currently, 17.41% of the free float, amounting to 180.75 million shares, is being shorted. The utilization rate is 61.49, and the short score is 72.89. Shorts have been aggressive, increasing their positions significantly within short time frames, contributing to the stock's downtrend. Interestingly, there have been no new analyst ratings today. According to IBKR and TipRanks, the last rating was from JP Morgan with a $9 price target. It's unusual to see no new ratings after such significant earnings results. We'll have to wait and see if any new ratings come in tomorrow. Looking at options, there's significant activity with $13 million in calls and $2.43 million in puts. Sentiment-wise, 46% of the options activity is optimistic, focusing on $8 and $7.50 calls. The current open interest for SoFi's calls shows significant resistance levels at $7.50 and $8, which might pose challenges for the stock. Today has been unique, partly due to the anticipation of Powell's speech tomorrow. This has caused increased volatility. Anthony Noto was also on CNBC, speaking with Jim Cramer, and once again, he articulated SoFi's position very well. I'll discuss this in more detail in a future video, but there's already a lot to unpack today. As of now, SoFi is trading at $7.33, oscillating between the support level of $7.21 and the resistance level of $7.50. Despite market manipulation and short activities, SoFi's results are strong, especially with the raised Q3 guidance and positive earnings per share. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.